Welcome to 1312 Luna Court, a totally renovated 5-level semi-detached backsplit situated within South Pickering's high-demand Bay Ridges community, just minutes from the city's beautiful waterfront. Freshly painted top to bottom in a light neutral decor, natural light spills through a glass-paneled main entry door with an oversized transom in the sunken foyer, as well as through large windows with south, east, and north-facing exposures in the principal rooms and bedrooms, with upgraded ceiling light fixtures additionally enhancing the airy spaciousness of the entire home. New hardwood flooring finishes the main level's combined living and dining rooms, both which enjoy a south-facing exposure, and with their openness to the kitchen area also benefit from the natural lighting of its east-facing exposure. Between these two spaces are built-in shelves for storage or display purposes, with the exceptionally bright brand new kitchen showcasing upgraded tiled flooring, crisp white cabinetry, quartz counters and backsplashes, as well as a stainless steel French door fridge, oven, dishwasher, and double undermount sink. And in its northeast corner is a hookup for the compact convenience of an LG 2-in-1 washer and dryer combo. The ground level family room is also finished with new hardwood flooring and features a sliding door walkout to a fenced-in backyard with a patio area for outdoor entertaining, while a fireplace with a stone mantel and painted paneled walls gives the space a relaxing cottage-like aura. This level also features a storage closet outside a 2-piece washroom finished with upgraded floor tiles and a new vanity with a quartz counter, as well as a very spacious bedroom overlooking the backyard that is finished with new hardwood flooring and has a double closet. Off the staircase landing to this level is a niche ideal as a storage and coat closet, with the stairs to this and all other levels of the home newly updated as well. The upper level showcases new hardwood flooring throughout, and all 3 bedrooms are quite comfortable in size, have ample closet storage, and have large windows for natural brightness, with the 2 north-facing bedrooms overlooking the backyard. The master bedroom also has its own private access to the common-use 4-piece washroom, which has upgraded tiles finishing its floor and bath area, the added brightness of pot lighting, and a new vanity with quartz counter. Fully finished, both the lower and basement levels bring added living space to the home, while as a self-contained space with a separate entrance are also ideally suited as a very spacious studio apartment. Finished with vinyl plank flooring throughout, the lower level has a coat closet off its foyer entrance, and its eat-in kitchen features new cabinetry, a quartz backsplash and counters, pot lighting, a stainless steel double undermount sink, access to storage, and oversized above-grade windows. The basement level recreation area has painted paneled walls, a fireplace with a brick mantel, and an oversized above-grade window. The combined storage and laundry room has a hookup for an LG 2-in-1 washer and dryer combo, and the washroom has an oversized basement window, upgraded tiles finishing its floor and shower area, as well as a new vanity with a quartz counter. Walking distance to Bedasage Mandamin Public School, numerous neighborhood parks, public transit, and the East Shore Community Center. This home is minutes from the Pickering Town Center Mall, the GO station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being a short walk to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.